Hello, I'm Buks Badenhorst, and on the 20th of April I'll be running a workshop together with two BNI colleagues, Anel Pieterse and Lauren Foster, entitled Igniting Your Business. We will be covering the effects of COVID and what to do in times of crisis, rebuilding your business, starting with the critical basic building blocks of finance, and making social media work for your business. As a follow-up, we will be offering the workshop exercises you will conduct during the workshop, and follow-up support, and a unique partner portal to answer your questions and provide an essential support as you move forward with your new plan to ignite your business. Bookings are available on my email address, buks@WitbankGPM.co.za. Looking forward to you joining us at our workshop on the 20th of April.